Hello everyone, I hope you're all okay. A very challenging project. I know it is not going to be easy, but I promise you that it will be absolutely worth it. You see, professional pop musicians work pretty much in the way we're going to work. Nowadays, music is largely produced by computers. Don't get me wrong, I will always prefer the traditional way of making music, but given these particular circumstances, I think it's a great opportunity for you to deepen your knowledge in music production aided by a computer. Please follow these steps carefully. Take all the time you need to figure each section. Be patient. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't give up. As always, if there's anything I can do to assist you, please let me know. The first thing you need to do is open GarageBand and create a new project. In the instruments screen, scroll left or right if you need to until you find keyboards. Then select Smart Piano. There is a rectangle vars icon located at the right middle section of the screen. It is colored in red. Take a second to find it. Ready? Okay, now tap on it and you will see right away that the virtual keyboard will appear. On the right upper side of your screen, you will find a small plus icon. Tap on it and tap again on section A. Activate Automatic and tap out. Now, on the same area of your screen, the upper right section, find the gear or tool icon and tap on it. Set the tempo to 100. Tap on Configuration and then on Key Signature. Select F sharp minor and tap out. Below the grand piano icon, you will see an icon that says glissando. Tap on it and it will change to scroll. Now, tap and hold on the virtual keyboard and scroll the keyboard to your left until you find a key that is named C5 or Do 5 in Spanish. Here comes the tricky part. Locate the black key right to C5. Is this one. The name of this key is C sharp. That will be the first note that we will play. The second one will be A, then B, and finally G sharp. We will play something like this. I will show you a map of the keyboard so that you can identify better which notes we will play. As you have probably guessed, the song we will record is named Dance Monkey. What we are doing now is recording one of the piano riffs of the song. Listen to it again. The order of the notes is C sharp 5, A, B, and G sharp. Remember, you can go back to the keyboard map to know which notes we are going to use. Now practice for a while these notes until you can play them correctly following the rhythm. When you feel ready, press the record button to record the note progression. Here we go. As you can see, each of the notes fits in one bar. This is C sharp 5 fits in bar number 1, A fits in bar number 2, B fits in bar number 3, and G sharp fits in bar number 4. Now type on the bars icon on the upper left side of your screen. This will help us to visualize the green line of sounds better. Tap on it and tap again. Tap on Configuration and tap on Quantize. Select 16th note and tap out. Now you can tap on Play to hear what you recorded. Once you have your file, go to the main screen, tap and hold on your file, rename it with your name, last name, and class. Tap Enter. Then tap again, tap on Share, Share as a song, Share, select Google Classroom, and attach your file to this assignment. Thanks for watching. I hope you have fun. Till next time.